I find the white and red piece, and it's on the green side. So if I turn the green side one time, it matches up white, red, red, and then you just turn it down to turn it on the white side, and then I find this piece right here. Since it's easier to solve and it's on the yellow side, you can just do what you normally do. When there's like a white piece on the yellow side, you turn it 2 times until it matches up, and then you turn it down to get it onto the white side. So, and then we find another one. Okay, this one is a really easy thing to solve because all you have to do is turn the white side one time. Normally, you shouldn't do this when you're a beginner because it messes up your solve and like.
Can we record this meeting so that I could like practice my yellow cross and yellow face?
I'm already recording it.
Yeah, you can record it if you want to. I can't record it because I started this meeting from the browser, so yeah. You can record it, yeah. So I have this white and blue piece right here. So to do this trick, you need to memorize the color scheme of your cube. So most cubes have red and orange on opposite sides.
So what are we doing? Can you tell it again? I didn't pay. I forgot.
Okay, so for now, just memorize the color scheme of your cube. So it's orange, red. For most cubes, it's orange, red, opposite, and then green, blue, opposite. So and then red and green are like adjacent to each other. They're green is on the left of red, and red is on the right of green. So yeah, that just memorize that color scheme so that you know like which way to turn the cube to solve this piece right here. So all you have to do is turn this bottom layer like this, so that the empty spot right here is right under this piece.
I can't see your screen.
You can't?
That's because you're talking. If you talk, it goes to your screen. Please stop talking.
Okay.
You can
Thanks.
pin it on him.
Okay, so everybody mute yourselves if you want to see my screen. I mean, see me. Okay. So it's like this, right? It's turned, and then you turn this down to solve it, and then you move this back to solve the white cross. Does anybody need any help with that?
No, I don't.
Why don't you guys try doing that? Ask me if you need any help.
Can we have a race?
Yeah, maybe once we're done with the
Like only the white cross.
Maybe if you guys want.
Yeah, we should.
Are we having the same scramble or?
It doesn't matter which scramble you do, just scramble with you.
I'm gonna win this.
Like he might be faster at me, but in solving the whole thing, but.
Okay, are you guys ready? 3, 2.
I did mine.
Wait.
Okay. Ready now?
Yes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on.
I'm done.
Done. Almost.
How'd you guys do it so fast.
We didn't use the white. We didn't use the yellow daisy. There you go. Can we do that again?
Yeah, we should do that again.
It takes
I'm done.
forever.
Okay, 3. Is everybody ready?
I'm not done. I'm not.
On the countdown, I guess.
I'm done. I'm done.
Okay. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
I'm ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Done.
Done.
Done before you all.
No, I was first.
I was first.
I was first.
Whatever, you won, I guess.
Yeah. I mean, I guess I shouldn't really be racing against you guys since,
You're faster than us.
yeah, I guess so.
What do you mean you guess so?
I might not be. I don't know. I haven't practiced in a long time, so.
I'm done with mine.
Are we doing F2O now?
No, not yet. Just practice until the next class.
Wait, so we're doing the white cross this whole class?
Yep.
And the next class.
The next.
I passed this whole class.
We have two classes in a week, right? So
So the next class, we're gonna do the second step.
we're gonna practice doing the white cross.
Wait, so we're learning CFOP, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, we're learning
K-pop.
K-pop.
Okay.
I know another way to like do a white cross. So first, I made the white egg pieces around a red center, and then I just moved some of them in that were matched up to the white center so that it matched, and the ones that did not match, I moved them back to make it easy, and then I did it.
It takes me. It's so slow for me. Why is it so slow for me?
It depends. It like you have to use your inspection time to like find the pattern.
Wait, did you get a new cube? Because last time when you put water in your cube and it was bad.
Who? Ishwar?
No, it's fine now. Nothing happened to it. I put some oil to it a couple days ago, like a week ago, and it's fine now.
Did you know you can lube your cube with oil?
Yeah, oil makes it.
That's what I did, people. Listen to me.
No, we won't listen to you. You're boring. Wait, Anna?
Yeah.
Do you know the algorithm like to solve this case? It's an H, and then I have these two.
Yeah.
What is it?
We'll learn when it's OLL time.
How many algorithms are there?
Class. To ask.
Anna, you said this is a rare case like coming like this. This is a rare case right here. A white and green. The white is attached to the green. And the green is back down here. It happens to me every time. It's not rare.
It's not. By rare, he meant difficult and weird.
I
Yeah,
don't understand
but,
that
like,
stuff, so don't talk to me. It's some weird stuff. I don't like this.
I'm gonna use a classic method to solve the OLL. Removing the pieces.
Why is cool guy Rit hashtag aka Ritvic not visible?
Is class over?
Because he's not supposed to be.
Do you want me to be?
Class just started. What do you mean, is it over? So what do we do now? What do we do now?
I guess we keep on doing the white cross like a
Can
million.
we have a race again? Can we have a race again?
Have a race.
I can't race. It's too hard for me.
Bro, you have a Steve. How can you not race? I have a
Stop, you're muted.
freaking
Guys, you can solve the Rubik. You can do it 5 times by me doing it once.
Rashab, you're muted.
You're muted.
I unmuted you.
I know. Stop muting me.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Who's the host?
Ritwik is the host and he
And
muted.
can we use Zoom from next time?
Zoom is only
No.
40 minutes.
We have only 40 minutes.
Yeah, because no, even though there's a password needed, you could actually put the password and we could log on and yeah.
Guys, let's race. See who can go first. I'm gonna be last. I know that.
Okay.
Can we do a race again?
Yeah, we should do a race.
Yeah, do a race again.
Okay, I'm not done.
3, 2.
I'm not ready.
I'm ready.
Go.
That was done. I was first.
Done solving it. Wait.
I was done.
I'm done.
I was first.
I was first.
I'm done.
Tie.
Okay, yeah, I'm done.
Rhythmic tie.
Yeah, I like time.
Now can we race for who solves the whole cube first?
Oh yeah, sure. Always.
I mean, Rhythmic or Anna's gonna be first.
I know that. I can't even do the white cross correctly.
How about me and Joshi race for the whole cube?
No, you're gonna win. We know that.
What?
Host, teach me.